South Oakleigh College was featured by Rolling Stone in 2024, and if you take a look around, it's easy to see why.
We offer instrumental tuition in all musical families: brass, woodwind, strings, percussion, and voice.
Former students have gone on to form their own bands and performance careers in musical theatre, artist management, stage management, a variety of solo performers, and even a Universal Music recording contract.
The opportunity for South Oakleigh College students to learn an instrument and be part of an ensemble poses many benefits to student health and well-being, not to mention a sense of belonging.
Our ensembles have performed at events all over Melbourne, as well as a host of concerts held each year. All these performances feature students from across the school, and we pride ourselves on having audiences of highly enthusiastic students, staff, and parents.
We're so excited about all the musical opportunities on offer at South Oakleigh College, and we can't wait to see all the smiling faces of the students taking part.